Hello everyone. Here we are going to perform experiment number 4 of Basic Electrical Engineering Lab. The aim of the experiment is connection and measurement of power consumption of a fluorescent lamp, which is a domestic tube light. So here we are having the load fluorescent lamp and the source point, which is a single phase AC supply. So we have to make a connection between connection from starting from this source point to this load, and in between we have to use measuring instrument and various other component in order to observe power consumed within the load. So basically I am going to explain you by a simple sketch. Here we are having a source end. In source end we are having a AC supply, and at load end we are having a fluorescent lamp connected in series with a choke coil. This is combined to make load end. Okay. So we have to supply electrical energy from source point to this load through connecting wires. Okay. And as our objective is to determine power consumed in this load, so we have to insert certain measuring instrument in between these two ends. So here we are having various elements and measuring instruments in order to connect in between these 2 points. So the source point is here, AC supply, and the load point is here, fluorescent lamp and this choke coil. Okay. So for making this connection we have to connect first of all this AC point, AC source point, first of all is being connected to single phase auto transformer. So this is the terminal of single phase auto transformer. We are connecting to single phase AC source. Okay. And here is your single phase auto transformer. The purpose of this single phase auto transformer is to provide variable output from fixed AC input. Fixed AC input is being taken from that source point, and the output variable output AC is provided from these 2 points. So after connecting auto transformer, we have to connect a voltmeter across it in order to observe the voltage level which is going to apply in the circuit as per the voltage demand. So it is a domestic load. So the voltage range of fluorescent lamp is around 220 to 30 voltage. So we are going to connect a voltmeter of same range. You can observe it from here. It is from 0 to 250. Then after we have to connect a ammeter like this, and after a meter there will be a wattmeter, which is our main objective. The purpose of this wattmeter is to observe power consumed within the load. Then from current coil of the wattmeter, which is in between M and L point of the wattmeter, from L point the choke coil will be connected. Then after, choke coil will be connected to one of the terminal of fluorescent lamp. Fluorescent lamp is connected across starter, and the other terminal of this fluorescent lamp will be connected to this returning point of the source, and we have one more connection left, which is potential coil of this wattmeter. So for connecting potential coil, we have to connect C terminal of wattmeter to M and V terminal to the main returning path, like this. So we have already done the connection here. As you can see, the voltmeter is connected across the single phase auto transformer, and one of the terminal of voltmeter is connected to common of ammeter, and from ammeter range of 1 ampere a wire is connected to M point of wattmeter. M and C is short circuited, and L point is connected to the choke coil, and choke coil is connected to one of the terminal of fluorescent lamp with the help of this key. The purpose of this key is just to make the connection. There is no need of using this switch. Okay. And the other terminal of the fluorescent lamp, which is coming from here, is connected to the V terminal of wattmeter, and the V terminal is further returned to the source, to the returning terminal of single phase auto transformer. So now we are going to take readings. So first of all, we will switch on this MCB, then after single phase AC supply. So here we are having supply at auto transformer end. Now we will move this knob. So we are applying rated voltage of fluorescent lamp, which is 230. So we have given 230 volt, and now we can observe the fluorescent lamp is glowing, and we can observe the value of current drawn by the load, which is 0.39. Voltage is 230 as we have applied, we know that, and value of watt or power consumed by the load is around it's around 18 watt. Its wattmeter rating is 18. We will observe the value of power consumed by observing the multiplying factor of this wattmeter. The multiplying factor of this wattmeter is 2, so the value of power consumed is 36 watt. So here we have performed the connection of fluorescent lamp and observed the power consumed within the load. Here I am going to tell you about the purpose of this coil. The purpose of this coil is to increase initial voltage applied across the fluorescent tube, and purpose of that starter is to increase the value of initial current by exciting the mercury vapor which is filled within the fluorescent tube. Once it has glown, the choke coil will reduce the voltage level. So that's all about experiment number 4 of basic electrical engineering lab. Thank you.